What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort. I know, we're living here. We've been here pretty much every day for the last couple days, and it, well, is not going to be stopping because they're doing a pull-through test right now with one of the trains. Let's get inside the park and check it out. Islands of Adventure. Let's do this. Yep, nothing new to note for the rumored Universal Studios store over here in City Walk, so that means we get inside the park a little bit quicker. Another day and still no wait for the ticket booths. Turnstiles on the right, closed again. Ones on the left are open and no wait. Like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Let's check out the wait times. Park is open until 6. Hulk right now 15 minutes, 10 minutes for Spider-Man. Dr. Doom is 5 minutes, 15 for Kong. P-Flyers is 10 minutes. Forbidden Journey was 20 minutes, 5 minutes for some of the smaller attractions. We can see on the next page, Hagrid's at 60 minutes, Hogwarts Express 25 minutes, Jurassic Park River Adventure was 25 minutes, Dudley Do-Rights is 5 minutes. Ah yes, the Jurassic Roller Coaster project, and storms are moving in, so hopefully we don't get too much rain. But we can see a crane on the right side of the screen, and that is where the train is currently for the pull-through. Well, normally we go this direction over here, but today we're going this direction because, well, that's where the train is. Oh, hi, fishies. Good to see you again. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, check it out. The pull-through right in front of us. We're over here at 3 Broomsticks. They got all sorts of pulleys and cables with the crane right there. Yeah, partial train right in front of us. Why, thank you, Orlando. How nice of you to give the roller coaster a wash. Alright, so the rains have stopped, but the crane is still down. Still have some thunder and lightning, but I'm wondering if that crane needs to move over to that side, because that's kind of a stretch to do the pull through with the train. So who knows, they may end up just leaving it here for a little while longer. So yes, now we're over here in Wall City, first show building, looking good. Lots of foliage all over the place. Some of the rock work now has tarps down. We can now see some primer on those steel beams, and right over here where all the employees signed, well, it's being covered up again by primer. And just down the way over there, there's some paint. In yesterday's update, we showed you the Camp Jurassic sign was getting updated with some paint, and we can still see, well, it's in the same position as it was before. Over here by Kong, work still continues on the midway. Looks like they were doing some concrete work right there. Go away, storms. It was nice of you to wash off the coaster train, but we're trying to do an update here. Come on.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll come that way when it stops. All right.
Wave after wave of storms have been, well, following us today. But luckily the rain has subsided a bit, and we're going to go over here by Popeye and Bluto's to check out the Jurassic roller coaster. Oh, come on now. We are just starting up the update again. All right, let's try this again, shall we? Well, that just about does it for everything over here at Islands of Adventure. I gotta say, I am very happy to see the pull-through going on, and they've made a ton of progress as they're now in the helix area. Hopefully by tomorrow, they'll be somewhere over by the stall. Let's get over to Studios and see what's going on there. Hello again, Studios. Let's see what spooky things you have going on. Well, the park is only open for another half hour, and there's no wait over here at the ticket booths. Ones on the right are closed. Ones on the left are open. No wait. Yep, no wait, and we are on our way. I know, the park is just about to close, but let's check out the wait times. 20 minutes for Gringotts, 35 minutes for Mummy. On the next page, we can see Minion Mayhem, 5 minutes. E.T. is at 20 minutes. Rip Ride Rocket is closed due to weather. Men in Black is 10 minutes. Race to New York is 5 minutes. 30 minutes for The Simpsons. Transformers, 5 minutes. Woody Woodpeckers is closed due to weather. Shrek 40 is 25 minutes. Hogwarts, 20 minutes. Ooh, a spooky display. We have a cover now and a television screen. And just behind that, look, it's Barricade Central again in front of the amphitheater. And this is all set up for the haunted houses. They begin tomorrow on Friday, and guess what? We have admittance to it. We're going to check them out. For those of you that work up an appetite screaming, well, you're in luck. We have a food truck over here. Oh my gosh, it's hashtag. Double ooh, as we have another sign here. It's covered up. And guess what? TV's on this time, says closed. A tent has been set up right over here, and all sorts of barricades are set up just beyond that fence for the house. Another look at the HHN Tribute Store we can see right here, and directly across from it, another food truck. This stage area over by the crepe stand is, well, Pretty much the same as last time. Still wondering if it's going to be used in the next couple days. Over here on the street, we can see a bunch of barricades up, and it looks like all they're doing is just resurfacing the road. One neat thing to see is Cafe La Bamba has some Halloween decorations. Pumpkins are up there by the sign now. Come on, Williams of Hollywood, reopen. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from the Universal Orlando Resort, and I'm happy to say the pull-through is still going well. The train right now is over in the helix, and hopefully by tomorrow it'll be over by the stall. We're going to be following that pretty much every day. Of course, we're going to be over here at Studios also, checking out the haunted attractions. We have a ticket for it. We're going to check it out. We're going to have more videos from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.